123.
Adam 123, go ahead.
Alright, we're positioned just a couple of houses west of. She's trying to call him to have him step out. Or lies further.
10-4.
It's 5647, right?
Yeah. Is it 5647, correct? Get cover! Did you hear that?
Stop! Stop! 124, we just had somebody shoot at us.
10-4, code 4 inside the residence, 5639 Dodge Street.
Okay.
124, negative. We were code 4 outside. Somebody took a shot at us as we were by the house. If you can let 120 know and start Mesa.
Adam 120, 10-4. Correction, Adam 124, 10. I'm sorry, sir, you're a bit muffled. This is 39 East Dodge Street for the 666.
39, not 47.
Station is 45 for the traffic on Dodge.
I don't know, maybe. I didn't see it. Alright.
Shaw, I'm going there. Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Hey!
Put your hands up now! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Drop the guns!
Put your hands
Drop
up!
the guns!
Put
1, 2, 3,
your
we
hands
got
up!
subject out here with 2 handguns.
Subject outside with 2 handguns.
124998. We have 1 down, start medical.
Copy 998, 1 down, starting medical.
Where's the other one at?
Right there.
Okay.
I got lethal.
Okay. First aid.
First aid,
Go!
now!
Go get first aid! Okay.
Go inside! Go back inside now!
Stay with me.
Emergency traffic for District 1 for 998 and District 1 for 998.
Stay with me!
Keep your traffic to minimum.
Okay.
At 50 East Dodge Street. All units responding, acknowledge on 100. Everybody else, stay on your stations. Again, all units responding. 563 Street. Remain on station.
One in and out.
Clear.
You got 1 straight through.
One straight through. I need gauze. I need gauze right here.
Like the 1, 2, 3 test.
You got it? I'm gonna put this away.
Yeah.
Adam 120, I'm showing you en route. 125. Confirm Adam 125. 10-4 also.
124, we've got 1 with 1 gunshot straight through. We're right in the middle of Dodge.
You have anything for his front?
Stay with me, sir.
Hey, stay with me.
Stay with me.
I think he's only hit the one time.
Yeah, that was mine.
No, yep.
Yeah, it was
You're good. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Is everyone okay here?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Hey.
Stay with me, buddy.
I'm trying to verify for Adam 123 or Adam 124.
123. All deputies are code 4. Only subject hit.
Here.
10-4, all deputies are code 4 on Dodge.